Yes, sir. Prime brisket, baby. Let's go. All right, let's trim up this brisket, man. It's about 17 pounds. I'm gonna start with this fat here. You gotta get all that excess trimmed off. I don't want to eat that. Most people don't either. They call this prepping and priming your brisket before the cook. And look at this, man. This is what I'm gonna do, because I don't like the way this end cap look. I'm gonna take all this off. I don't want that. I don't want that. Take that nice fat layer off. Let's flip him over. You feel this? You see this hard fat? I don't want that either. I'm gonna get this trimmed off. Yeah, get that trimmed off. See, even this. It's just this hard fat. Yeah, I don't want that. Yeah, that's looking good. That's looking good. Is it perfectly uniform? No. But got them nasty parts off of it, you know. Flat, point. All right, looks decent, man. It's not perfect, but nice aerodynamic look. The last brisket I made was a choice brisket. This is a prime, and I used that good Montreal steak seasoning on it. So we hitting it with this again. Let's get him seasoned. Let's get him seasoned. You feel me? We gonna get him nice and seasoned. No binder. No binder necessary over here. We just gonna hit it right away. It's gonna stick. That seasoning's gonna stick. I don't think you need a binder. Does it help a little bit? Yeah, but it don't add no flavor. And to me, I'm not trying to waste no mustard. I use my mustard regularly. So, hey, this Montreal steak seasoning smells so good, man. Shit smells so good. Yeah. Let's flipping. Yeah. Yeah. Get that on there. I'm gonna add a little bit more. Looking good, smelling good. Getting well seasoned. Well seasoned. All sides. All the surface area. We not here to play today. Yeah. This look good. Smell good. I'm trying to tell you. Let's throw the rest on there. Fully seasoned. Don't skip out on flavor. Yeah, I think that looks good, man. What y'all think? Smell fire, I'm trying to tell you. That Montreal steak seasoning smell different. The flavor hit different on the brisket too. I'm gonna just pack that flavor in. I'm gonna just pack that seasoning in. Make sure it's well seasoned. I'm about ready to sit. Check it out. Yes, sir. All right, brisket's done, guys. 11-hour smoke with hickory wood. About a 4.5-hour rest. It's been in the cooler. It's unwrapping. Oh my goodness, the smell. Smells oh so delicious. Ooh, look at that bark, boy. That bark is special.
What type of bark? A doggy bark?
Really close, show them the details. Less slicey. Ooh, like butter. Oh, get the juice. Oh my goodness. Look at the juice. Look at the juice. Oh, baby. We got something special here. All right, let's cut this first slice. You hear that? Oh man, let's see. Good bend. Screw back a little. Right there. Good bend. Let's see, does it pull apart? Oh, like butter, baby. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right, I'm gonna flip him this way. No, I gotta do it this way so the camera sees. Yeah. I need to sharpen my blade. Good?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Spicy.
Is it?
No, they get the juice.
It's my brisket, y'all. Cut.